So guys, we have got the package that I've been waiting for this 208 GTI. Now the guys over at Go Fast Bits have kindly sent us their new diverter valve. Now this one is particularly interesting because it does have some options over and above what the factory option gives us. So this one incorporates a spring. So normally what happens is when you put boost for a turbo and then you back off the accelerator, the boost then disappears back out and back into the system. Now with this one having a spring operated setup, basically will trap a certain amount of boost back in the turbo, so when we get back on the gas we'll have less boost to try and fill that turbo with, and we should have much better throttle response. So what we're going to do, guys, I'm going to quickly unbox this. I'm going to read exactly everything that we need to do about this before we fit it, and I'm going to take you through how we do it. So guys, this is the diverter valve from Go Faster. Now this is a direct replacement for the old diverter valve. Now have a look at this, guys. As we unbox this, the attention to detail in something as small as this is unbelievable. It tells you where to pack, it's packed in foam, and as you pull it out, we've got the stickers with the instructions on a QR code. So we've got a nice sticker there, we've got the instructions, but have a look at this. The attention to detail in this valve, you know, when something is packed the way this has been packed, that into there, it just says to me quality, guys. It absolutely does. Now this is to be installed in the factory location. So there's no modifications other than we take this out, we fit it to it, and we put it back in. Now, have a look at the quality of this, guys. Now this is aircraft aluminium. So it is, well, you can just feel it. The quality of this is absolutely unbelievable. Now, when I was speaking to the guys at Go Fast Bits, what they said to me was about this product is that it will improve the boost holding. So this is what this has got inside here. It has actually got a spring. So every time you put your foot down on the accelerator, it builds boost in the turbo. When you back off, the boost then escapes back into the intake system. But with this having a spring, what it does is it does trap a certain amount of boost in the turbo. So when you go back on the throttle, you get instant acceleration, basically, because it doesn't need so much boost to make the turbo full again, because it's trapped it in from this valve. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take you through this valve quickly, and then we're going to take you through the fitting, and then what we're going to do, for those of you who haven't seen the previous video with this car on the dyno, I'll put a link in the description below. So not only will we have a better boost holding, we will have a sharper throttle response, because like I said to you, when you come off the gas, you go back on, the power should be there, because we are not having to fill that turbo as much because the spring in this has trapped it. This valve, a lifetime warranty, guys. Unlike the plastic non-spring OE factory version, which is, you know, they all fail. So this part here will outlast the car. It has a lifetime warranty. So what we'll do, let's get this fitted and see what it's like. Right, people, so we are going to be getting on with fitting this Go Fast Bits diverter valve, which, have a look at that, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. But on this Peugeot 208 GTI, it's actually located here. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be removing these Allen key bolts, unplugging it, and then we are going to be using the new diverter valve in the standard housing. So there is no need to remove any of this, and it is literally just a plug and play solution. We're going to have extra boost holding, we're going to have extra longevity on this valve, because this is guaranteed for life. So let's get this fitted and see what the difference is out on the road. Right, people, so what we're going to do first, we're going to undo this plug off here. So we're going to take the plug off, which was nice and easy to do. So remove the plug, and then we have 3 5mm Allen key bolts to take this diverter valve out. And then what we'll do, we'll show you the installation of the new one. But I'm actually really looking forward to this, because the fact that these are known to be not very good, They do them in the Minis, the Peugeot 208 GTI, which is what we've got. I also know that the DS3, they did a petrol version of one of these, so that will be the same diverter valve that we've got going on. Right, people, so we are at the position where we're going to fit the extended harness, and that is because the valve is situated on the other side. So what we're going to do, we're just going to plug this in to the standard wiring loom, and this section here goes into the diverter valve. Like so. And then all we're going to do is we're going to clip that back on, and then have a look at this, guys. Just like that, the Go Fast Fits diverter valve is fitted on this 208 GTI. Now what's really nice about this, guys, is it will only fit in one way, as in the bolts are perfectly lined up in one position, so you should not get this wrong. Now the extra harness that comes in the box is so that you can connect this side of the diverter valve to the standard wiring harness, which is down here. But have a look at that, guys. Now it's over to me to go and give this a drive and see what the difference is. Well, I can immediately feel a difference between gear changes. Literally, as soon as you come off the accelerator and back on, it is just there straight away. Yeah, you can hear it straight away, literally straight away, guys. The difference between the plastic normal diverter valve versus this Go Fast Bits brass solenoid aircraft aluminium built, it transforms the car, the way it comes back in after every gear change. So guys, that is the diverter valve from Go Fast Bits fitted. I cannot stress how easy this job is. It was 3 5mm bolts and a plug. It really was that easy to fit. Now, like I explained earlier, this plastic diverter valve, look at that, it's worn out. Whereas you will not get that with this part, because it is aircraft aluminium. It's got a brass solenoid, and it's got a lifetime warranty. So you will not have that with your car, especially if you're turning the boost up, guys. But obviously that would be for off-road use only, wouldn't it? So yes, I'll drop a link in the description. A thank you to the guys, by the way, for sending out this valve to us. I've just been out for a drive with the Ray-Bans on, which you will have seen in the video already, and I was very, very surprised in how good this works. But then, should I be? Because as soon as I took it out of the box, I could see straight away it was absolute quality, guys. So head over, the link is in the description. They do this for the Peugeot, the Citroen and the Mini. Get it bought, guys.